it's your girl Bree, and I'm back with another video. Anyways, them say man can control himself. A true or a lie? Judging by the title, I don't know what kind of video we're gonna pull up today. We're gonna see if Rick have white liver or if he have black liver. So, I'm gonna see, make a lead him on. You see how he would react. We get him reaction and see how this is gonna turn out. So guys, don't forget to like the video. We're gonna say no, like up a video. And if you like the video, guys, like up a video, man. Spam team in the comment section. Can you see one team around here? Subscribe to the channels, follow us on our social, watch the ads, and don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified each time we post a video.
Me say me I get fat. What you worried about? Oh, take on the gym and see.
Are you currently advancing?
You understand? Boy, cranium come like one feel me pain, you know. I'll take on the gym and really do that, man. Transform somebody fatter and have some muscle. But like a really body can't be here, like.
How
are you?
You
Alright?
yeah.
You sure? You want to take a key? You want to take a key? Ah, nah, stiff in your belly, dog.
We can't take it seriously, man.
Don't take up your camera, you. Where the fun there, night?
Where they are, go on and do it, man.
Where the fun there, night? Where the fun there, night?
Vamos for the fun.
Nah, but I know my time. Nah, but I know my time. Sure.
What's wrong with that, man?
Where you go? Come here. Come here now. Come here now. Come here now.
Yeah.
Let's lie down.
Mommy, I lie down.
Let's lie down now.
Mommy, I lie down.
Here's the plan.
My toes drop.
Here's the plan. Here's the plan.
What in the pan?
Talk to me, man.
What in the pan?
Here's the plan.
In the pan,
Sure.
yeah. What's that? We are look for. It's so rude out of order.
You open your foot, man.
For what?
Where you lock shop for?
I feel like a man.
A mine. Oh, what?
Relax yourself.
So what you fight for?
Yeah, rapist?
Yeah. For you.
Oh.
Yes, sir.
Well, then make up for something and come back.
Where you go for?
Make up for something and come back.
Where you go for?
Yeah, I'm looking for something.
Where you go for? Where you go for?
Wait, no.
Where you go for?
Wait, no.
Where you go for?
What's that?
Tell me where you go for. Where you go for?
What's that?
Where you go for?
Yeah, but...
Get talk to you where you go for.
I'm telling you.
Where you do that for? Where
Where you do that for?
Where you for?
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
Yes, sir. Give me a live show.
Yes, sir.
Jesus Christ! I'm here, but you get big. Honestly, we don't feel
You
like
can't take it now.
I feel like my hand is a little bit brain right now.
Come look if it get big.
Oh!
Shit! We.
Yeah.
Alright, me now run.
Yeah.
Me now. Ah!
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright.
Don't play.
Me now play now.
Where is it?
Me now play now. Play.
Where you going?
You ready now?
No.
Ah!
No. No.
Oh, God.
Gosh. What do you? What do you? What do you?
Broke.
We need to tell about the what me says and think about me.
Alright, here we go now. Here we go.
Wow.
Me go in the bathroom and come back.
Good door.
Something man, something.
Brother, where you there pan now? Correct now you play memory.
I'm playing man, it's alright.
Make up your mind, what you do?
Can you do me here?
What do you hear?
Look there, we can do me here.
Come here, come kiss me. Don't want to. Let's go and light them right there.
Alright. Touch my mouth.
Come on.
Light the things.
Where is it?
Ready? Get something to do.
Why'd you do? Why'd you do? Just take out this now.
Hey!
What you have me on for? We don't need you right now.
Why?
What the fuck? Wait a button. What's up? Wait a button.
Relax, man. Sit down, Mama tell you something.
What you want to tell me?
Mama tell you something
Me,
first.
no one talk to you about no song. Come.
What you mean?
Then miss, why you keep on do this? So let's take off this now.
Well, I know.
Don't let me get rough, you know.
Well, I know.
You know, Mary switch to plan B, you know.
Oh!
Yo. Yo, wait a pan. Wait a pan. No, brother. Wait a pan, talk to me. Come here, son.
Come get this. You're gonna blurry what you telling
What kind of married girl? That I really don't know.
Yeah.
Come here, come here.
Come get it.
Come
Get
here.
it.
Come here, come here. Come here.
Wait, no.
Come here.
Wait, no.
One thing.
One, two.
Wait a minute, so. Yo, what you do? What you do?
One, two.
That's
I'm tired.
yes.
It's true.
You're not on that still, but
Come get us in there, yes.
yo, Bill man. We had to be there. Yo, don't say that.
Wait.
If I want.
Oops, something fell.
Yo, don't bother with your fooling it, my youth.
Something fell.
What feel? Then you just look how I see things.
No. I'm gonna take it up.
What is this? A show? A show before I get it?
What kind of shoe?
Yeah, put on a show for me.
What kind of shoe?
Yeah, you'll be able to walk upon and show and a splash. That type of thing. Yo.
Rockin'.
You see, you done the show. You done the show. Yo, stop the man. You don't know?
Done what?
With the show.
What shoe are you talking about?
We are put on now.
I'm put on a shoe.
Alright, this door.
I'm put on a shoe.
Jesus Christ. Come on. Ooh.
What with the brand? Alright, I'm going for something. I'm going for something.
Me need to go for something, really, but...
Me go for something.
Yeah, go for.
Me go for something.
Yeah, go for.
First, I come down to my level.
You know?
Okay, go on the light on. You want the light on now?
Yo, stop rumping it, yo. Yo, stop rumping, man. You're in it, man.
There's something to tell you.
What? Brother, stop ramping, no, man.
I have something to tell you.
Don't make me get aggressive. Don't make me have to take it. You see me I play calm with you? Don't make me have to take it. We have to tell me. Say you ready now?
Mama, rub it down. Mama, rub it down. No, you're too fussy. Too fussy, man. Too fussy. What do you, Pa?
Mine.
What do you?
Mine. Come, you're almost ready. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah.
You have to play that one. You laugh for me, I can say I laugh.
Come tell us something.
What?
It's a prank!
Which part?
It's a prank.
Yeah, see, I'm opening up totally in front of the camera right now.
But you're not sure. You're not sure.
How you know say no, show me a lift you up so?
I open it so you're not sure.
So boy me a lift you up on this.
You're not sure.
How you know that?
Because I arranged on me set the camera.
Where camera?
Me not tell you, I hide it spots. You don't have to look for. And then I feel so don't look for it. I say, hurry up.
Yo, lock off the camera and come brother.
Lock off the camera.
Lock off, yo. Sure, that's strong back. As you can alright.
Me lock off camera for.
Lock off the camera.
Me lock off camera for.
Yo, hurry up, brother. Hurry up.
Me lock off
Hurry
camera.
up your outro, dog. Me not laughing.
Guys, all in mind, you know, all in mind. All in mind.
Hurry up the outro.
You look a white liver brute.
You tell us you not take away your camera.
Hey,
you know.
you see, there's a man that have no control. And this is the answer. We prove it for ourselves. We prove it for ourselves. Look a white liver. Anyways, guys, if y'all like the video, thumbs up. Spam Team Bree in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel. Watch the ads. Bye.